Okay, so today we're going to read more of Himetsu because it is Koneko Day. So, here we go. 今日も家に帰って玄関のドアを開けました。Today, also today, at home, I returned home. 玄関のドアをsomething about the door wasn't there. Oh, today I came home and opened the door. Tora-sanがいつものように玄関で待っていました。Tora-san something about a location was not waiting? Tora-san was waiting at the door as always. Mashita. Mashita is just past tense, not past negative. Nya, nya, meow, meow. Tadaima, I'm home. Boku wa Tora-san to hanashite imashita. Tora-san and I said? I was talking to Tora-san. Kawaii neko desu ne. You're a cute cat. Or that's a cute cat. 僕の後ろに大家さんが立っていました。My landlord came up behind me? The landlord was standing behind me. 僕はびっくりしました。びっくりしました。I got surprised. 大家さんはトラさんを見ていました。The landlord saw Tora-san and said, 一人暮らしは寂しいでしょう。Living alone must be lonely. すみません。子猫は辞書にもらいました。I'm sorry. I'll return her to my boss. I've received this cat from my boss, right? もらいました。すげに辞書に返します。と僕は言いました。I'll return her to my boss tomorrow. Immediately, I said. いいですよ。大事にしなさい。It's okay. Take good care of it. と、大家さんは行って家に帰りました。And my landlord left and went home. Said the landlord, and he went back home. And that's the end of how we got to keep Tora-san. Yay. Okay, more again tomorrow. Ciao.